Daily English Expression Day 3. 7. Asking for opinions. What do you think about climate change? How do you feel about the new immigration policy? Have you given any thought to the morality of animal testing? Can I get your thoughts on the latest election results? Do you have an opinion on the use of plastic straws? I'd love to hear what you think about the legalization of marijuana. What's your take on the minimum wage increase? How do you see the future of renewable energy? Have you considered the impact of social media on mental health? What's your viewpoint on gun control laws? What are your thoughts on the death penalty? I'm curious to hear what you think about the role of technology in education. Do you have any opinions on the current healthcare system? Would you mind sharing your thoughts on the ongoing conflict in Syria? Can you share your perspective on the relationship between privacy and security? What's your stance on the legality of abortion? 8. Sharing opinions. In my opinion, the new policy will have a positive impact on the company. I feel that the new policy is the right way to go. I think the new policy will help the company grow. From my point of view, the new policy is well thought out. I firmly believe that the new policy will be beneficial for everyone. It's my belief that the new policy will bring positive change. I'm of the opinion that the new policy is necessary for progress. My stance on the new policy is that it's a step in the right direction. I see it as a solution to the current problems. In my eyes, the new policy is a necessary change. I hold the view that the new policy is well-intentioned. My take on the new policy is that it will bring positive results. I strongly feel that the new policy is the right decision. I'm convinced that the new policy will have a positive outcome. As far as I'm concerned, the new policy is the best course of action. In my estimation, the new policy will have a positive impact. 9. Giving advice. Maybe you should talk to a therapist about your feelings. I would suggest taking a break from social media for a while. Have you considered changing your diet to improve your health? You might want to try practicing mindfulness to reduce stress. It might be a good idea to take a self-defense class for personal safety. I'd recommend seeking the advice of a financial advisor for your investment decisions. How about signing up for a cooking class to learn some new recipes? Perhaps volunteering for a cause you are passionate about would be helpful. My advice would be to prioritize getting enough sleep and exercise every day. I think prioritizing your mental health by taking time for yourself would be a good option. Have you thought about reaching out to a mentor for guidance in your career? You could try seeking support from a support group to cope with your challenges. Seeking the advice of a professional to help you quit smoking might be worth a shot. It might be worth considering taking a public speaking course to improve your skills. My suggestion would be to start a daily gratitude journal to boost your happiness. Learning a new language might be the way to go for personal growth and development. I'd say trying a new hobby is a good plan for finding new interests and hobbies.